Hi everyone, in this video you will get complete details about 5 ways to make money with AI, artificial intelligence, on passive AI, on passive opportunities to earn money online through artificial intelligence technology. This will be useful for founders who wish to become resellers and many more. Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular avenues for online earning. There is a lot of affiliate programs offered by various companies, but only few people know that IT software and digital products commission is higher than conventional products. Now, in this video, you will get an exciting affiliate marketing program. You can become an affiliate marketer or a reseller. To understand in a better way, let us know what's a subscription business model. A subscription model is a type of business where customers pay a recurring fee to access your content or services. This can be done monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and it's a great way to provide value to your audience or customer while generating revenue. I am giving few examples so it will be very clear. Like Netflix, you are paying monthly fees to get the services. Geo mobile service in India, internet service, to avail internet service you are paying a fee, monthly, quarterly, like that. Then various digital marketers, they pay monthly or quarterly fees, like for domain, web hosting, trim URL, graphic design software, and video conferencing tool. You are paying monthly, quarterly subscription to avail the video conferencing tool services offered by various companies at present. Then industries, corporates, they use CRM software, HRMS software, accounting software with a fees, subscription based model. Now my dear friend, you'll get complete clear idea about ONPASSIVE subscription based model for its IT software and digital tools. Their founder position at present, founder position is closed permanently. Now avenues are opening for the resellers. Reseller position is being offered to public. You can buy a standalone product or bundle of product packages from the ONPASSIVE product portfolio. Currently, we have 20 plus AI powered digital products with high demand, and many products are unique in nature. And marketplace is a total global market, 200 plus countries. Now, for your information, all founders, they should become a reseller to earn affiliate commission, and they have to buy the product packages. The product package price will be fixed and it will be conveyed to you. And your affiliate commission based on whether you are taking a standalone product or bundle of products, like that. Okay. You can earn affiliate commission from new sales. Whatever new sales will be there, you will get an affiliate commission, and also from the subscription renewal. So there is a huge potential to earn very good amount from this model. Founders, you know, you'll have a website and there will be referral links. For founders, it is advantage. All the resellers, they will come through the founders. And company, they will sell the product through founders, through resellers. Hope this is clear. Now, my dear friend, next online money earning opportunity. You can automate your business with AI. The people who have existing business, they can automate and leverage their business with ONPASSIVE AI. You can accelerate your business growth with our AI solutions. We are the pioneers of end-to-end AI solutions. So you can increase your income or revenue with ONPASSIVE AI. ONPASSIVE, simplifying the business needs with AI solutions. Our products modernize business processes with scalable AI products. Now, next, online teaching. You can earn money through online teaching. You know, demand for online education is growing. AI in education is playing a greater role with many advantages for teachers and students. Teachers or educators can make money online through online teaching. Now, my dear friend, ONPASSIVE Academy, best e-learning platform AI powered. So, what the advantage of Academy? ONPASSIVE Academy brings you the best e-learning platform equipped with advanced AI technology. For teachers, educators, Academy gives the opportunity to reach out to a student base all across the globe, thereby increasing your earning ability. Now, my dear, online e-commerce. Whether you are a physical store owner who wants to take business online or you want to start a small online business from home, you can earn money online through this platform. Now, ONPASSIVE e-commerce platform. O-commerce is an e-commerce platform that empowers small and medium business owners to market their products. Next, make money on social media. You know, many people are making money through social media. So you can earn money online through social media platform. And ONPASSIVE ONET, it's a revolutionary social networking platform with advanced technology. ONET is our social media platform and it will provide many opportunities. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.